Hey everyone. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create and share public templates in Clickup. This is the full guide for 2025. And yeah, this is perfect if you want to reuse your workflows or share templates with clients, teams, or anyone outside your workspace. First, log into your Clickup account and open the workspace where your template lives. Templates can be created from spaces, folders, lists, or even individual tasks. So just pick what you want to turn into a template. Now hover over the space, folder, or list you want to use. Click the three-dot menu and select the option to save as a template. This opens the template setup screen. Give your template a clear name and description so people know exactly what it's for. You can also choose what gets included, like tasks, statuses, custom fields, assignees, or due dates. Take a moment here. Clean templates save a lot of time later. Once everything looks good, save the template. At this point, the template is private by default and only visible inside your workspace. To share it publicly, open the Clickup Template Center or your Save Templates list. Find your template, open its settings, and switch the visibility to public. This allows anyone with the link to use it. Now copy the public template link. You can share this link on your website, in emails, or directly with clients and teammates. Anyone with the link can import the template into their own Clickup workspace. Public templates don't share your data, only the structure. Also, if you update the original workflow later, you'll need to update the template separately. It's a good idea to review your public templates occasionally. And yeah, that's how you create and share public templates in Clickup in 2025. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.